Well, guys, as the title reads, another truck took a wrong turn. But this time, it was a tow truck. It just makes no damn sense why people are going in this drain. I don't get it. Why are truckers going in this drain right here? This thing as long as you know what. Makes no sense. Makes no sense at all. I mean, I know they've been working on this freeway for the last 4 years or what have you. It is a bumpy ride, but not enough to send somebody into that drain, ditch, whatever you want to call it. You see? See how long this thing is? And it goes all the way up. I mean, it must go like, I don't know, another 9 miles? I just don't get it. I don't get why people are going in this damn ditch. Makes no sense. But again, this time it was a diesel tow truck. It's crazy. What the hell's going on here? Just makes no sense. No. The last time was a tractor trailer. This morning was a diesel tow truck. Alright guys, well, if you're out there driving, drive safe, be safe. We'll see you guys in our next video.